Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for, of course, you. Today, let me introduce this ZANG Mother external SSD with 1 terabyte of storage. It's also available in 512 gigabyte and double it if you need it. 2 terabyte are possible. The Ultrathin external SSD comes with only 70 millimeter, so only 7 millimeter thickness. It's a magnetic SSD with a modern minimalist design and a high storage capacity. It is an SSD and hard drive external device. Light aluminum enclosure, USB-C compatible with personal computer and laptop. The Ultrathin magnetic portable solid-state drive is a PSSD. It is an innovatively designed portable storage device tailored for use for us who seek ultimate portability and a style appearance. With a thickness of only 7 up to 7.5 millimeter, this SSD features a unique magnetic design. This making it easy for users to secure and carry it during use. Its minimalistic Apple-inspired design combined with the small size and the large capacity, this makes it ideal choice for modern living and working. Whatever for file storage, data backup or mobile office use, this portable solid-state drive provides an efficient and convenient solution. The product appearance, accessory and package may be optimized, and comes in a good box, because this is not a low market price segment based device, because it is a high quality device. So we have an ultra-thin body with a thickness of only 7.5 millimeter. Its incredibly thin designs make it easy to carry and fits easily into pockets or handlebags. Perfectly adapted to modern fast-paced life. And we have a portable magnetic design. Featuring an innovative magnetic design, users can conveniently attach the SSD to devices with a MagSafe magnetism. Other devices require compatible MagSafe adhesive, ensuring it does not easily drop during use, and in safe and convenience. This minimalized Apple-inspired appearance comes to us with an SSD aimed to create a minimalistic modern design, producing a simple yet sophisticated personal effect made of high-quality aluminum alloy. It has a smooth surface, a nice finish, and an excellent tactical feel, showcasing a high-end design with a minimalistic Apple aesthetic. And we have a compact size with a large capacity, because this PSSD is not only has a compact body, but also offers a large storage option, including 512 GB, 1 TB, and 2 TB, catering to users' high data storage needs. It supports fast access to large files. This makes it easy to handle high-resolution videos, photos, or important documents too. And multi-purpose use. Equipped with a USB-C data transfer interface, it is compatible with multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac operating system, and Android, enabling seamless connectivity with various devices such as computers, smartphones, tablets, and so on. It provides users with an exceptional storage experience, and we have a fast transfer speed. Utilizing advanced solid-state storage technology, it offers a data transfer speed of up to 20 gigabit per second, helping users efficiently complete file transfer and backups, thereby enhancing productivity in work and in daily life. This is the magnetic suction portable SSD, the model SQ20, with a transmission rate of 20 gigabit per second. An external interface is Type-C. We have materials, metal, aluminum, and plastic. The dimensions are 60 to 68 to 7.5 millimeter. We have a lot of supported systems out there. Windows, of course, Linux, of course, Mac operation system, Android, And you can use the iPhone 15 and above to connect this to it. This device. Exit, easy peasy, it from an static, solid workplace, because you are free. You are unleashed with such a device. You can connect it on the back of your Android phone using the magnetic O-ring, or you can connect it directly to your iPhone with MagSafe compatibility. And then it stays on the back side of your smartphone. And with the flat USB cable, you can connect it to the port of your smartphone. And of course, then you can transport it via the wide connection. Or you get another USB cable as you like for data transport, and you can connect it with your computer system, with your Mac, and so on. Easy peasy, baby, to use it as a standard SSD, an external standard SSD, via USB interface. This is the ZANG Master external SSD with 1 terabyte of capacity. Easy peasy, plug and play. Connect it to your device and then operate it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.